Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. This is going to be a slightly different video. In this video, I want to take time to say thank you. Thank you for your support. I recently launched a review of the Seastern 62 Mass Homage, and that video went larger than anything I've ever done before. A lot of you clicked on the affiliate links and you bought watches from AliExpress, and that's helped raise a bit of money to help support me and my family at this moment in our lives. And I want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to every one of you who has clicked on an affiliate link for Namoki or for the DIY Watch Club and has bought product, because all of that has helped us. And I find I'm just so blessed by you. So thank you for that. I really want to increase the usable content that I produce for this channel. And one of the ways I'm going to do that is by selling the watches which I have built. So if you look below this video, you will find a link or a name for an eBay store, which I have started. And if you go through to the store, you will find a collection of watches that you may well recognize. Now, if you buy one of the watches from my eBay store that says Ros-Bou on it, you have bought a Ros-Bou watch. Ros-Bou watches all have a unique serial number engraved on the inside of the case back. Those numbers are entered by hand into the Ros-Bou register. All of them are hand regulated to plus or minus 5 seconds a day, and all of them come with a handmade card of authenticity. It's April 2024, and I thought I'd take a bit of time to show you the collection of watches that I have available in my store. All of the watches that I'm selling are demo models. This means they're hand built by me. They're sold at the cost of the parts or less. There is no cost for labor added. This means you're getting the best price possible. They're either prototypes or they've been used for review. There are wear marks on these watches. Some of them are mild at worst or negligible at best. And if it's a Ros-Bou, it's still a genuine Ros-Bou with all of the authenticity marks that you would expect. This first watch is not a Ros-Bou, but rather an Islander by Loom Shot Glacier limited edition. Only 200 were made and they sold out overnight. I'm selling it for the original purchase price of €380. The second watch represents amazing value, a bronze-cased GMT diver from the DIY Watch Club kit. I'm selling it for €295. That's almost half of the price of the original kit. This third watch doesn't say Ros-Bou, but it will come with Ros-Bou authentication. It's a custom build using Namoki parts with a gilt dial and white text on the bezel. It's somewhere between the BB56 and the BB58, so I'm calling it the 57 diver. There are a few light marks of wear on this watch, but it is in great shape and it's got great mid-century vibes. The rest of the watches in my store are Ros-Bou watches. That means they're built by hand by me. They're all water resistant. They're hand regulated to plus minus 5 seconds a day. Each one has a unique serial number which is engraved on the inside of the case back. That serial number is then entered into the Ros-Bou register by hand. It is then also included on a handmade authenticity card, and you receive the watch in a hand-finished package. First up is a brand new, never been worn Ros-Bou Panda chronograph with a Mecha Quartz VK63 movement. Full stainless steel construction with a ceramic bezel means it's both beautiful and hard wearing. Only €350. Ensure you're boardroom ready with this RBC 018 dress watch. Its 37mm size, highly polished finish, and sunburst dial make it a head turner wherever you go. At only €265, it's also one of the more affordable watches on offer today. The RBC 019 Sports is an all stainless steel 36mm watch with a Tiffany blue dial that you can dress up or dress down. And being a his and hers, you can share it as a couple. At €340, really good value. don't miss out. The RBC016 Mother of Pearl diver is one of my favorite watches. It's 42mm across and it sports a blue Mother of Pearl dial, a sapphire bezel insert, and a domed sapphire crystal. It's elegant and it's rugged. It runs an NH35 movement, 200 meters water resistance, and at €315, it's a great deal for a dive watch in full stainless steel. The RBC007 Sunburst Diver is another unique dive watch that is elegant and rugged. This one runs a genuine Seagull ST1612 movement that is both hacking and hand winding. It's got an incredible dial, a bezel action that has to be felt to be believed, and a hand finished red hour marker at 12 o'clock. For €285 with 2 straps, a rubber and stainless steel strap, this is amazing value. The RBC010 Mil-Spec Diver was my first ever full Namoki build and one of my favorite builds to date. It costs €425 because the parts were all bought separately. You wouldn't be able to buy these parts for this price. It came out brilliantly and looks a lot like the original with strong mid-century vibes. It also has a domed sapphire crystal and a ceramic bezel insert for durability. It runs in Seiko NH35 movement and comes with rubber and NATO straps. I'm hoping in the future to take the idea and the brand of the Ros-Bou watch to new places. And should that happen, and should you buy one of these early watches, you'll have a head start on something that could become big. Maybe that won't happen. Maybe all you're doing right now is supporting me. But if you're keen to buy one of the watches that I've built, I'd encourage you to click through to the eBay store and see if there's anything that you like. And if you pick something up, please know that you have my gratitude. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.